Oh, shoot. Oh, God. No, no, no. Oh, great. Brielle, look at that mess you made. Brielle, what'd you do? What did you do, Mama? Are you just making a mess? It was Mommy's fault. She put the jar there. Want to eat? Here you go. Here you go. No, you can't grab the spoon. No. Here. Mmm. Let's clean up this mess.